Alright guys, today we are moving on to assignment 3, which we were doing assignment 2 before, so this one is images. So today the video that we're going to be doing is applying this code in place filter, which is basically where you take this first image and we make it look like this second image. Now, before we do that, there is a little bit of setup that needs to be done. Once again, this link as well as the next link that I'm showing you now will be in the description box. So we do need to install something called Pillow. So if you are on a Mac, you just need to copy this command into your terminal window and just paste. So I'm going to hit enter. And in this case, it's saying I'm using pip version, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so if you are like me and you are being prompted to upgrade your pip, then you can just copy the command from there and do this. And now that's installed. Okay, now I'm going to run my original command again. And here it's saying requirement already satisfied because I already installed this. But if you did not already have this installed, this would install it for you. Now they're telling us to type this other command to check if it works. There are instructions for Windows here as well. So if you're on a Windows machine, just double check that. So right now I'm just going to go into my folder where I have these things. Okay, so I'm in my folder where I have the simple image.py. So these files, the link to download this will also be in the description box. So there are some image files that you'll definitely need for this. So make sure that you download those and you can put them in whatever folder. It doesn't really matter. Just make sure that you are aware of it. So we have this Python 3 simple image.py. So I'm going to copy that, paste into my command window, and I ran it, and cool, we have a yellow square with a green rectangle, and that's exactly what they told us that we were going to get. Sorry, I said yellow square with green rectangle. I meant to say yellow rectangle with green stripe. Okay, so that's all we need to do for the setup. So now let's go on to the actual assignment. So it says that we need to write a program that asks the user to enter an image file name. It then loads that file and applies the code in place filter. To apply the code in place filter, you're going to change every pixel to have the following new red, green, and blue values. And then it's telling us what the new red, green, and blue should be. Okay, so let's go to our PyCharm. Now, there was some starter code here, which again, this is in the link in the description box. So we are in code in place filter.py. Now they already have filled in a default file. And then there is something here that says file name equals get file, image equals. Okay, so it looks like they've already given us this, but we have this section here to do your code here. So they're saying that we need to change every pixel. So once we are doing something like changing every pixel, we're going to assume that we're going to have some sort of for loop. Now, Python does have like a for each functionality built in. So let's see how I can get a pixel. Oh, this is exactly what I was looking for. I just said I need a for each loop, and it's telling me this is a for each loop over all pixels in the image. So all I have to do is for pixel in image, and then, okay, let's start there. So I'm just going to paste that. And then how do I get the red, green, and blue? So it's saying my color properties are pixel.red, pixel.green, and pixel.blue. Okay, so that should be pretty easy. And what else did they say? In the assignment, they said new red value equals old red value times. Okay, so this should be easy. So all I need to do is set pixel.red equals to whatever it was before times, what did they say, 1.5. And then we have pixel.green equals pixel.green times 0.7. And then we have pixel.blue equals pixel.blue times 1.5. I'm pretty sure that's all I need to do. So I'm going to save this and I'm going to run it. So we go to run, and then we have code in place filter, and it's asking me an image file or press enter for default. I'm just going to press enter and use the default. And okay, it gave me something. Oh, I think it worked. So this was the image before. This is the image afterwards. Let's just make sure that this is what they said we were supposed to get. So this is the first one. This looks like this, and this is the second one. This looks like this. So it looks like we are done. Stay tuned for the second part of this assignment.